In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your productivity and writing skills using Google Docs. We'll explore some powerful tools and features that can make your document creation process smoother and more effective. First off, we'll begin by accessing Google Docs. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Docs. Then log into your account. If you don't have one yet, just follow the simple steps to create a Google account. Once you're in, you'll have the option to open a new document or choose an existing one that you'd like to work on. Next, let's dive into the extensions menu within your document. This is found at the top of the toolbar. Click on it and you'll see various options to extend the functionalities of Google Docs. Today, our focus will be on a very useful tool named AI Assist for Gemini TM in Sheets TM, Docs TM, and Forms TM. This feature is a game changer for those looking to polish their writing. From there, click on Open to activate Gemini. Once it's open, you'll notice several enhancement options that are designed to improve and refine your writing. For instance, you can make your writing more professional through the Formalize option. If you're looking to express the same idea using different words, rephrase could be your go-to feature. And when it comes to adjusting the length of your content, you have the options to either shorten or expand as per your needs. Want to create clear and structured lists? Use the bullet points feature to convert bulk text into easy-to-read lists. Moreover, Gemini can assist in bolstering your document with well-researched facts and figures. You might ask, give me 3 key statistics about remote work in 2025 with sources. And Gemini will certainly provide useful responses, which you can directly insert into your document. Plus, you'll have formatting and citation options at your fingertips for that professional finish. Collaboration is made seamless too. When sharing your document, your team can view the Gemini-generated content, and you can continue using Gemini's magic even during collaborations to refine the text further. For example, prompt it to make this executive summary more concise and persuasive. Finally, once your document is shaped to perfection, it's time to share it with the world. To do this, click on File and select Download. You can export your Gemini-enhanced Google Doc to formats like PDF or Word. Alternatively, you can directly share it via Google Drive, ensuring your documents are not only well-crafted but also easily accessible and shareable. And there you have it. With these steps, your writing process in Google Docs becomes much more efficient and effective, allowing you to focus on creativity and impact. Happy writing!